Welcome to Cars Trends, the home for all car enthusiasts where we explore the most exciting, luxurious, and cutting-edge vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the most celebrated and iconic names in the automotive world, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Renowned for its blend of elegance, technology, and performance, the C-Class has been a symbol of refinement and prestige for decades. Whether you're a fan of German engineering or simply seeking a car that strikes the perfect balance between luxury and practicality, the C-Class is bound to impress. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of the cars you love. Now, let's get started. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a visual masterpiece, exuding elegance and athleticism in equal measure. The exterior design strikes a perfect balance between classic Mercedes-Benz sophistication and modern, dynamic styling. The front fascia is dominated by the iconic three-pointed star emblem embedded within the large, diamond-patterned grille. Flanked by sleek LED headlights, the front end has a commanding presence on the road. The long hood, sloping roofline, and short rear deck give the C-Class a coupe-like silhouette, even in its sedan configuration. Distinctive character lines run along the sides, adding depth and dynamism to the design. The rear is equally striking, featuring sculpted LED taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the car's performance capabilities. With a variety of wheel designs ranging from elegant to sporty, and an extensive palette of exterior colors, the C-Class allows buyers to personalize their vehicle to suit their style. Mercedes also offers an AMG styling package for those who desire an even more aggressive look, with larger air intakes, sportier bumpers, and unique badging. Step inside the C-Class, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines luxury in its segment. The cabin is a symphony of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and impeccable craftsmanship. The dashboard is elegantly sculpted and features a mix of soft-touch materials, brushed aluminum, and optional wood or carbon fiber trims. The centerpiece of the interior is the large, high-resolution OLED touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Below it, the flowing center console houses minimalist touch-sensitive controls that add a futuristic touch to the cabin. The digital driver's display is fully customizable, offering a range of layouts and information to suit your preferences. The seats are upholstered in plush materials, with options for leather, Nappa leather, or vegan-friendly alternatives. Heated and ventilated seats with massage functions are available, ensuring maximum comfort on long drives. The ambient lighting system, offering a choice of 64 colors, transforms the cabin into a serene sanctuary or a vibrant, energetic space, depending on your mood. Rear passengers are not left out either, with generous legroom and headroom for a car in this class. The panoramic sunroof, standard on higher trims, floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and luxury. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering a smooth and responsive 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which enhances fuel efficiency and provides an extra boost during acceleration. For those craving more power, the AMG-tuned variants offer thrilling performance. The AMG C43 features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with electric exhaust. Gas turbocharging, delivering an impressive 402 horsepower. At the top of the range is the AMG C63 SE Performance, a plug-in hybrid with a staggering 671 horsepower, combining a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with a powerful electric motor. All C-Class models come with a 9-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and precise shifts. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is available for improved traction and handling in all weather conditions. The suspension is finely tuned to deliver a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling, making the C-Class equally enjoyable on winding roads and city streets. The C-Class is packed with advanced technology, setting a new benchmark for its class. The latest version of the MBUX infotainment system is intuitive and highly customizable, featuring voice controls activated by saying, "Hey Mercedes." The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air updates to ensure it stays up to date. The head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. An optional augmented reality navigation system overlays directions onto a live video feed of the road ahead, making it easier to navigate complex intersections. The Burmester surround sound system is a treat for audiophiles, delivering crystal-clear audio that enhances the driving experience. For added convenience, the C-Class includes wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a digital key that allows you to lock, unlock, and start the car using your smartphone. Practicality meets luxury in the C-Class, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of buyers. The trunk offers ample space for luggage, groceries, or weekend getaways, with split folding rear seats to accommodate larger items. The cabin is designed with multiple storage compartments, including a generously sized center console and door pockets. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the C-Class, with the mild hybrid system helping to reduce fuel consumption without compromising performance. The plug-in hybrid AMG C63 SE Performance takes efficiency a step further, offering a respectable electric-only range for short commutes or city driving. The C-Class is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features to protect both occupants and pedestrians. Standard safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The optional driver assistance package adds features like evasive steering assist, active lane change assist, and cross-traffic alert. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class has long been a favorite in the luxury compact sedan segment, and for good reason. It offers a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance, appealing to a wide range of buyers, from young professionals to seasoned executives. Starting at around $44,000 for the base model and going up to over $80,000 for the AMG variants, the C-Class provides excellent value for its level of refinement and innovation. Its timeless design and advanced features ensure that the C-Class remains a strong contender in its segment, competing with rivals like the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4. However, its unmatched blend of comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology gives it a distinct edge. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a masterpiece of engineering and design that continues to set the standard for luxury compact sedans. From its stunning exterior to its opulent interior and exhilarating performance, the C-Class delivers an unparalleled driving experience. If you're as impressed by the C-Class as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cars Trends for more reviews of the world's most remarkable vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.